Alright, here we got these guys behind us who just came out of the winery going insanely slow.
Now this dude's passing. They're doing a full 14 miles an hour and a 45.
They might be going slower.
Lay on the horn.
Alright, back to the video. Alright, welcome to today's video. If you saw the last video, we have been launching these RC cars because our real cars have been broken. So I've been playing with these remote control ones. Now, no matter how old you are, these are super fun. And nowadays, they are a lot more expensive. This is a $1,500 car.
But they do have affordable ones.
Yeah, they do. The VXL Slashes and Wrestlers and stuff are probably faster than this, and they're
just as fun.
So today we're going to practice with this little BMX ramp. Put it on the other side of this giant concrete ramp that we have hit multiple times with these RCs and even the pitters. Let's set this up and see how far we can launch this thing. And this video is sponsored by 3W Accessory Format. Huge shout out to you guys. These things are super sick. Keep my truck nice and clean, and when I need to clean these off, all I do is pop them out and they pop off the tabs, pop right back in. Super cool, super easy to use, and they look pretty awesome.
Body right there. Oh.
There's no power. What? That's full power. What? That's brand new charged battery. Alright, so we let the truck sit for a while. Now we're trying it again. I think it's literally just so hot in Texas right now. It's like over 100 every day, and I think it's just overheating. Alright, let's get out of here. It's hot. Sick day in Texas. Alright, Will's gonna send this ramp with his brushless RC car, and if it doesn't look sick, I'm not putting it in the video. How you doing? Alright, let's go! Alright, somehow Noah and I ended up over here at Exodus Performance working on Will's C6 Corvette that he just built a crazy 416 stroker for. Let me show you the intake for this thing. I mean, check that out. That looks pretty nuts. And it sits so high off the motor that he's gonna need one of those cowl hoods. Dual throttle body. Pretty dope. Makes me want to vet. Alright, so Will's working on getting this motor all put together, throwing the intake on, getting all the wiring done, and then we're gonna try to fire it up. So let's hear it. This thing's gonna be sick. guys, so now that we're on the topic of Will getting his car started, I was also able to get mine started. So I finally got this engine bay finished up, got a new distributor because the old one didn't work, air cleaner on, air cleaner mount made, suspension cross member back in, everything's ready to go. Got the full force fuel system, got their CDI box, ready to go. Listen to this thing start. So to start this thing, basically all you do is turn on your switch panel, get the OEM fuel pump going, get the Phytech fuel system and EFI system going, and then you turn the key and start it, and it starts right up. So that is super exciting. Next thing we have to get done is body work. We got to get the new roof put on, and then on this side we got to get these fenders pulled out a little bit, get some of these bigger dents taken out, and she'll be wrapped and ready to go with the new livery. It's gonna be pretty sweet, and whenever this thing's back, I'm going to be absolutely sending it. It's been gone too long, I miss it so much. And I've already been thinking, and I've already got plans and confirmations of the new things that we're gonna do with it. So if you guys wanna see some pretty gnarly stuff with this Bronco, be sure to stay tuned.
Let's kick on some shit again.
Yeah, dude. Okay, listen. Can anyone hear us?
Can you repeat that?
Can anyone hear us?
Yes.
Who?
The kitchen.
Okay, listen. I think one of you told your manager I wanted a free cup, and she's the one who talked to us, and we're not gonna get a free cup out of her.
You're not giving out.
No!
I hear you.
Why?
Nope, sorry, we have a specific contract. I'm not allowed to do that.
Okay, can we have one free piece of bread?
I'm sorry, I cannot give anything for free. The only thing in my entire restaurant that I can give for free is like hot sauce, ketchup, and then maybe like a little 12-ounce cup of water. But
Can we
that's
get
about it.
3 12-ounce cups of water?
You know, 3 12-ounce cups of water. Can we get 3 12-ounce cups of water? In the Post Malone cups? Listen, we trust you guys to be better than McDonald's. All those McDonald's workers in DK suck.
Yeah. 100% just calling the cops on us. And I actually drive off. They're 100% calling the cops on us.
You guys have those new Post Malone cups?
No.
Oh shoot, okay. Are you guys able to hook us up with any free burritos or tacos?
Free?
Yes.
Oh no, we can't do that, man. Why not? We gotta get paid. I'll pay you.
You'll get paid anyways. Yeah, y'all get paid anyways.
Yeah, but we need more money, man. Fucking. We're not allowed to get free food. Not even employees get free food.
What?
That's why you ain't got no workers.
Last night we got a whole free bag from here.
Well, the manager's gonna be in trouble.
Oh shoot, are you the manager here?
Yes, sir.
Well, you're in trouble then. I'll throw this out the window. Oh! Dude, go around and I'll toss it over at the window. You ready?
Dude.
Yep. You good? That's good?
Yep.
He did his window wiper.
Alright you guys, we are ending off this vlog with loading up the Bronco on the trailer. It's getting ready to leave tomorrow, which kind of sucks, but it's very exciting. Gonna drop the Bronco off, and they are putting on the new roof and doing some body work to fix up all the stuff I messed up from the rollover. So that's how we're gonna end off today's video, loading this thing up and strapping it down. So let's get to it. Bronco is finally going away. Sounds weird to say that, but I'm happy that it's finally getting finished, getting back to its former glory. So, I'll see ya.